Unraveling the mystery. Lost in the Olives. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a unique and somewhat whimsical phrase, lost in the olives. This expression isn't your everyday English idiom. So if you're scratching your head wondering what it could possibly mean, you're in good company. Let's embark on a linguistic journey to uncover the meaning behind this intriguing phrase and how you can use it in your English conversations. At first glance, lost in the olives might conjure images of someone wandering through a vast olive grove, unable to find their way. However, in English, getting lost in something often transcends the literal sense of misdirection to imply becoming deeply engrossed or absorbed in a situation, thought, or activity. Olives, with their rich history and cultural significance, could symbolize depth, complexity, or even peace and wisdom. Olives are more than just a staple in Mediterranean cuisine. They're a symbol of abundance, glory, and peace. This association stems from ancient times when olive branches were awarded to victors and used as symbols of peace. In the context of our phrase, being lost in the olives could imply being immersed in a state of peace or contemplation, or finding oneself tangled in complex situations or thoughts that are as intricate and nuanced as the history of olives themselves. Although, lost in the olives is not a common English idiom, it represents a beautiful way to express deep engagement or contemplation. You might use it when describing a moment of profound thought, indicating that someone is so deeply focused on a problem, idea, or activity that they're oblivious to their surroundings. For example, while pondering life's big questions, I found myself lost in the olives, unaware of the passage of time. Lost in the olives is a poetic and imaginative phrase that captures the essence of being deeply engrossed in thought or activity, with a hint of the symbolic richness that olives bring to the table. We hope this exploration has not only shed light on its meaning but also inspired you to appreciate the beauty and depth of English expressions. Thank you for joining us on this linguistic adventure, and may you find joy in discovering the myriad ways to express your thoughts and experiences in English.